So hello guys and welcome back again to this YouTube channel. It has been long that I posted. It has been long that I posted on this my YouTube channel. So today I want to post again. So that is why I'm making this video. It has been long that I posted. It has been about 2 weeks to 3 weeks now that I posted on this YouTube channel. So why did I not post? It's because I blew the first account that I had. I blew it because of frustration and hunger. I mean, staying 3 months, staying 3 months and unable to withdraw a profit. I mean, I was 3 months trading, it will just go up to my margin level. Sometimes sometimes it will give me a little bit of profit. Sometimes it will just fall again. And thing was just doing like that. And it's not that I blew the account while trading it. It's because of frustration. So I was so frustrated about it. I just took like a lot of trade and the account was blown. So that was it. My strategy is actually good. It's actually good. It's just that I was not patient enough. I was not patient enough. That was why I decided to blow the account. But never mind. We'll continue and we'll keep the struggle ongoing because the truth about forex is that forex is profitable when you actually know the strategy. It might take you like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years before you get it, but it's not that before you get it. If you have had a mentor, you have gotten it. It's just that you have to strengthen yourself. So it's going to take you like 1 year. It's going to take me like 1 year. Yeah, 1 year before I will be able to like get back to myself. So no problem. For now, I have a demo account for now. I mean, I'll be showing my demo trade on FTMO and how I do trade my demo account. So I just opened a demo account. So if I can be able to pass that demo account, I mean, at least let me just try it at least 3 times. Pass a demo account 3 times. Like I've already opened an FTMO demo account and I'm still working on it. If I pass this first one, I pass second one, I pass third one, then I'll know that yes. If I haven't passed this first one, at least it will give me confidence to actually go in and put money again and start trading again. And start trading again. So that's what I'm thinking for now. That's what I'm thinking for now. That's what I'm thinking for now. So that is it for now. Let me just put money on a demo account for now. Then when I see that I have enough money, I might buy another $500 account. Then we trade another $500 account. My strategy is good. Everything is good. It's just because of frustration. That is why I lose that account because of frustration. Because of frustration. Frustration. 3 months like this, no cash out. Oh boy, I get how it the bill. 3 months like this, you stay, you don't have any cash out. There is a way it is. So no problem. So if you have not subscribed to YouTube channel, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like the videos, and let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's keep working. Let's keep struggling. A better time is coming. Okay. Thank you guys.